Hey guys, welcome back to the Rocking Chair Project video 3. We're back here with Blake today. We want to see what are we going to be doing next.
We're going to be working on the front leg of the rocker today, and then we'll just continue up the side and keep working on sides.
Awesome, let's get to work. All right, Blake, with the front legs done, what are these pieces for?
These are for the armrests of the rocking chair. So we're going to go ahead, cut the armrests out, and then we'll go ahead and start dry fitting and making sure the sides work. And we'll get to see kind of what a rocking chair is about.
Awesome, let's get to work. Well, it's been a productive morning. We got the front leg done and the armrest done. Blake, what's our next step?
Our next step is we're going to take this over and we're going to run over the edges and do some roundovers, get a dry fit together, and kind of see how the sides go together. So that'll be our next one.
Awesome. Hey, can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our website at lwmcnc.com. See you in the next one.